So my name's Adam Kimrey. I'm the manager of OPS Sales Company in Dewey, Oklahoma. This is our main location, but we also have yards in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Birmingham, Alabama, and Richmond, Virginia. We are structural steel suppliers, wholesale. Don't really go to a lot to end users. We service anything from road and bridge construction, piers. We also are really invested in the cattle working equipment side of things, agriculture industry. We're very diversified, and we've been in business for about 35, 40 years now. In 2017, we purchased a pipe mill to make small OD pipe for the cattle working industry, for fencing, gates, and we were farming out our slitting work to other companies here locally. They just weren't keeping up with our needs, so we ended up just researching the slitter manufacturers, and at that point we ended up contacting Redbud and getting hooked up with them. And once we were comfortable that a Redbud slitter was as good as money could buy, really. I mean, it was top of the line. You know, the fact that they're a family-owned company just like we are, and the fact that it's made just a few hundred miles up the road in Illinois, that was a big thing to us as well, just keeping the business domestic. So once we realized we were buying the best of the best, it was an easy decision at that point. And now with our slitter supplying a slit coil for our pipe mill internally, our production has doubled because we made the investment in the Redbud slitting line. I would say the service and support has been the best aspect of owning a Redbud. You know, our managers, our supervisors down there, they can make a call and the parts department will have a part in a truck, if not that day, first thing next morning. If we have any questions, we call and they stay on the phone with us till we get it figured out, or if it's something that we can't figure out here, they'll send someone down and there's a technician here the next day. So I really think that aside from just buying a really sophisticated slitting line that works great, the support and parts department has been nothing short of incredible, honestly. No one here before we got the machine had any experience with a slitting line, especially one that was this fast. So, you know, they stayed with us for the first few weeks to walk us through it and teach us. But here we are just over a year later and we're extremely comfortable with it. You know, we've got a good crew of guys who've been there for the whole time, and I don't think it could be more user-friendly. So I'd say at the end of the day, why we went with Redbud and why Redbud is such a good fit with OPS is the family atmosphere there. Everyone there has a close personal relationship. Doesn't seem like a corporate environment. All that on top of a sophisticated slitting line that does everything that we could have hoped for and more was great. And the support and service and parts, really until you get into the machine and you know what you're doing. But like I said, that's been the biggest surprise and the biggest relief is that their parts and service is so exemplary.